Banks don't steal your money. If they did, you would notice. They do something much smarter. They design the system so you lose money slowly, quietly, consistently, without ever feeling like something is wrong. And that is exactly why it works. You deposit your money into a bank account and you think it just sits there, safe, untouched. But your money is not resting, it is being used. Banks take your deposits, lend them out, invest them, and earn far more than they ever pay you. Your money works every day, just not for you, and somehow they still charge you for it. Not in obvious ways, in small, forgettable ones. Monthly maintenance fees, ATM withdrawal fees, transfer fees, inactivity fees, individually. They feel harmless. $5 here, $3 there, but over a year. That is not small anymore. That is hundreds gone from most people's accounts, and almost nobody notices. But this is not bad luck. This is engineered. Because the real money is not made from fees. It is made in one moment. One mistake. Overdraft. Let us make it real. Someone buys a $5 meal. They do not check their balance. The bank approves the transaction. Everything feels normal. Until later, that $5 purchase turns into $35. Not because of what they bought, but because of how the system reacts. And it does not stop there. Later that same day, a subscription renews. Another small charge. Another fee. Then a third transaction hits. Another penalty. By the end of the day, that same account is down over $100. Not from spending, from fees, from one moment of inattention. Now multiply that by millions of people, every single day. That is not a mistake. That is a business model. And it gets worse. Because sometimes banks do not process your transactions in the order you made them. They reorder them. Largest first. Why? Because it empties your balance faster. And once your balance drops, every smaller transaction after that can trigger another fee. One purchase becomes 2 fees. 2 becomes 4. 4 becomes a pattern. And that pattern becomes profit. Not for you, for them. And the system does not need you to fail completely. It does not need you to lose everything. It only needs small mistakes. Moments where you do not check. Moments where you assume. Moments where you trust the system to work in your favor. That is where the money is made. Not from helping you grow, but from catching you off guard. And the reason most people never see it is because nothing feels broken. Your card still works. Your account still looks normal. There is no warning, no alarm, just small amounts disappearing over and over again, until you finally notice, or you never do. So what do? You do not panic. You do not avoid banks. You get smarter than the system. You track your balance before you spend. You turn off overdraft if your bank allows it. You keep a small buffer, so one mistake does not trigger a chain reaction. You question every fee, every charge, every small amount, because small is how it starts. And if you understand this, you do not just protect your money, you take control back, and that alone puts you ahead of most people. Stay sharp.